Other Russian selamat pagi Russian lovers. Today I'm going to make a menu for our lunch today. Jadi pagi ini saya akan membuat menu makan siang kami. Also it will be for a couple of days. Jadi ini juga akan jadi menu makan siang beberapa hari ya. So here I've already made here pickles, cucumber and carrot pickles. I've already shared before how to make this one. It's just easy. You just put salt, sugar, um, chili powder, and also garlic and onion here, and put hot water, and then you mix together. So sugar, salt, and lemon or lime juice, also garlic, onion, and chili pepper powder. Okay, so and hot water. After already warm, and then you put a carrot here, and then after totally not hot, put also cucumber, but don't use the seed of the cucumber, just like this. Jadi jangan gunakan bijinya ya, biji dari timun. Jadi mudah sekali, ini pernah saya share di link YouTube saya. Jadi kita masukin bawang bombay, kalau nggak ada bawang bombay ya bawang merah, karena kita di Rusia bawang merah nggak adanya bawang bombay merah dan mahal. Kemudian bawang putih, cabai bubuk, cabai yang ada perintil-perintilnya ya, chili pepper flakes, and also, dan juga hot water, air panas, diaduk ya, garam gula diaduk semua, kemudian air jeruk lemon atau air jeruk nipis. Ada jeruk yang kecil-kecil itu boleh ya, itu lebih enak lagi. Nah kalau sudah lumayan dingin, nah baru cemplungin wortelnya. Baru sesudah itu tunggu agak beberapa saat, baru masukin timunnya, tapi timunnya jangan dipakai yang bijinya. I've already also made my own sweet homemade soy sauce here. Jadi ini sudah pernah saya share juga. Ini kecap manis ya, memang nggak sekental. It's not like a Indonesian sweet soy sauce. It's not like Indonesian kecap manis, but it can substitute for a while. Jadi sama, cuma rasanya itu sama kayak kecap Indonesia, tapi dia nggak kental. Because I don't use palm sugar, because I don't have palm sugar, I only have brown sugar, so like that. So this one soy sauce, water, what else? Palm sugar if you have, or if you don't have, make brown sugar. Also put garlic, cinnamon. That's all. If you want to put ginger, it's okay. If you want to put another, for example, cloves, it's okay too. Much more delicious. Jadi ini tinggal masukin air, kemudian kecap asin, soy sauce ya. Nah baru masukin gula merah kalau ada. Kalau nggak ada gula merah, gula coklat oke. Kemudian dikasih bawang putih, geprek, you smash, garlic. Kemudian kasih kayu manis. Baru boleh dikasih yang lain kalau suka, misalnya cengkeh atau jahe kalau suka ya. Udah. Kemudian mendidihkan sampai semuanya larut. So just boil, it already boil and dissolve, then turn off. That's all. You may filter that you want to use. Jadi bisa disaring ya, sudah digunakan. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare for this one. I'm going to make a grill oven. Maybe I will grill, or maybe I will put in oven chicken. So this one, I will make also ginger soup here, like soup ayam Hainan, like Hainan chicken soup, like this, simple. Garlic, onion, spring onion. Jadi daun bawang, bawang bombay, bawang putih. Kemudian you need also this one, sesame seed oil, minyak wijen ya, buat sendiri kalau nggak ada sih mahal, jadi saya bikin sendiri itu. Kemudian nanti you put water, so you must not boil this one. Put chicken first. After all you put, and then you boil. Jadi masukkan ayamnya dalam keadaan dingin ini ya, baru kita mendidihkan. First you make it boil, all become boiling. Already boiling, you make a heat, small heat. Jadi bikin apinya kecil kalau sudah mendidih. Baru nanti dikasih, kalau sudah hampir masak, if almost somehow already changed the color of your chicken, put sugar a bit and also salt. And the last one put sesame seed oil. Baru nanti dimasukkan garam, gulanya kalau misalnya dia sudah mulai berubah warna, dan baru masukkan minyak wijennya. Jadi tunggu keluar, kita keluarkan dulu kaldu ayamnya. So we try to take out the chicken broth first. Okay, for the grilling I've already make this one. This is coriander, pepper, turmeric. Jadi ini bumbunya simple. So this one only chili, onion, garlic, turmeric powder, pepper powder, coriander powder, what else? I think that's all, and salt. Ini bumbunya sederhana, garam, bawang bombay. Kalau nggak ada bawang bombay, yang bawang merah. It's better for you to use shallot if you have, but if you don't have, just use onion, whether orange onion or red onion. Jadi biar entah dia bawang bombay yang kuning atau yang merah is okay. Kemudian berbawang putih, garam, merica bubuk, ketumbar bubuk, ketumbar yang bulat-bulat itu okay juga. Kemudian kunyit bubuk supaya dia berwarna cantik, dan cabai. Okay, if you want. Jadi nanti ayamnya pedas manis, so it will be sweet and spicy. This one ini daun salam, bay leaf. This one is lime leaf. Actually it's not lime leaf, it's mandarin leaf. Oh, it's okay. Just take it out the bone of the lemon or lime or mandarin leaf. Jadi buang aja yang tulangnya, tapi ini it's okay, nggak apa-apa. Nah, nanti kita butuh cooking oil. Nanti kita tumis dulu. So we are going to saute. This one I use water, so it will be crabs well. You can use just cooking oil because I don't have blender. My blender's broken. Nah, nanti kita tumis bumbunya until it well cooked. We will going to saute this until it well cooked. Then we're going, after already well cooked the spices, then we put chicken. Baru kita masukkan ayamnya. And then after that we put water just a bit. Baru kita sudah bumbunya sudah sudah masak bumbunya, baru kita masukkan ayamnya, baru kita tumis dia sampai dia berubah warna, baru kasih air, tapi jangan banyak-banyak. Okay? Nah, baru nanti dikasih kecap manis. Then after that already well cooked, somehow well cooked, then put sweet soy sauce, baru masukkan kecap manis. Udah masak sampai dia meresap bumbunya, go until will all spices crabs well and chicken well cooked. Then we are going to grill into this one stove di oven aja. Okay, and when you saute you can put cooking oil and also butter. Bisa masukkan butter. I also put lime juice here just a bit to make it fresh. Jadi saya kasih jeruk lemon ya. Ini yang kita beli yang di Globus itu cuma 10 ruble, cuma 10 ruble. See, even those skin like this is still well used. I mean, can be used meskipun kulitnya loreng-loreng seperti itu. Okay, now if already this one somehow already cool totally, wrap with plastic wrap and then put into refrigerator whenever you want to eat, then it's awesome. And you can just eat like that. Jadi kalau dia sudah total mendingin kuahnya, baru kita masukkan kulkas terlebih dahulu. Sebelum masukkan kulkas, wrap dulu pakai plastic wrap. For rice, I just prepare same one, lime or mandarin leaf or any kind of orange leaf, bay leaf, also salt and coconut milk and garlic. Jadi untuk and turmeric. Jadi untuk nasi kuningnya simple aja. Kita punya bawang putih. Saya punya bawang putih here. Untuk nasi kuningnya for yellow coconut rice I have this one garlic. Jadi bawang putih, kemudian daun salam, daun jeruk. Nanti kita pakai garam, kemudian pakai kunyit bubuk sama apa namanya, santan, fresh coconut milk. Oke. Di saute. Jadi nanti kalau sudah ayamnya dibersihkan kan gampang, tinggal cemplung aja. Nah ini masak sampai dia harum dan sudah tanak ya. So saute until it becomes well cooked, the spice like this. Nah. Baru masukkan daun jeruknya, and put mandarin leaf or lime leaf or any kind of leaf of orange. Put bay leaf too. Nah, kalau sudah seperti ini harum, baru nanti kita masukkan ayamnya. Already well cooked the spice, then we put our chicken there. I put my chicken here. Ini sudah saya masukkan ayamnya, baru sudah saya nyalakan. Dan don't forget to put sugar and salt. Yang ini jangan lupa dikasih garam sama gula and pepper. I think no need. Nah, this one no need pepper. This one also I already put water. I already saute spices and then put chicken and then saute. Jadi ini sudah saya masukkan bumbunya, sudah sampai tanak bumbunya, baru saya masukkan ayamnya. Sudah ditumis sebentar ayamnya, baru dikasih air dan di put water around 200 ml of water, sekitar 250 ml aja karena airnya banyak because chicken is loose. And also I put sweet soy sauce that I make by myself. Jangan lupa dikasih kecap manis ya. Nah ini kita ungkep sampai dia benar-benar kering. We are going to boil until the water reduce, sampai airnya kering, baru nanti kita panggang. Okay, now done for my chicken. I'm going to grill this in a pan in Teflon ya. Jadi ini akan saya panggang. Ini sisa bumbunya, the remaining of spices for I will not throw because I will use for polish this chicken. Oh, see, smells very good. Ya, enak banget loh. Gini aja, makan ini aja udah cukup. Oke, ini udah jadi. This is Hainan chicken soup. Ini sup ayam Hainan. Nah, sekarang kita akan membuat nasi kuning. Now we are going to make a yellow coconut rice. Here, rice I already clean. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 bay leaf. 4 bay leaf and 1 stick of mandarin leaf. Itu daun jeruk mandarin 1 sama 4 jeruk. 4 daun salam. Ini lemongrass. This 2 tablespoon of garlic. We are going to saute it. Kita akan tumis. Api kecil aja ya, small fire. Prepare also salt, turmeric powder, coconut milk. Jangan lupa disiapkan santan, garam, lemongrass. Sama daun-daunan dimasukkan. Bay leaf, you put bay leaf here. Don't forget to tear your lime leaf or mandarin leaf. Jangan lupa disobek ya. Okay, I already put lemongrass there. If you have fresh lemongrass, it's okay. It's better. Kalau ada serai yang segar lebih bagus lagi. Nah, sekarang already like this, we're going to put coconut milk. Sekarang kita akan masukkan semua coconut milknya. Jangan ada sisa. Here, kecilkan aja apinya. Jaga ya, jangan sampai dia pecah. So don't make it brown. I mean broken for your coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of. I think 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Jangan lupa masukkan kunyit bubuknya. Kasih garam juga, 1 teaspoon of salt. Actually my coconut milk I already put salt, so just in case, just help. Sekarang kita aduk sampai semuanya tercampur dengan rata. Ya. Nanti baru kita masukkan ke rice cooker. Then we will put into rice cooker. Tambah lagi lah karena dia ceper. It will be very beautiful. Sekarang tunggu sampai dia benar-benar tanak. Don't forget to taste this. Jangan lupa diicip. Already done here. Just until it becomes unite all. Smells very good dan bumbunya udah oke. Sekarang kita tuang ke sini. Now we are going to put here to the rice. Kita akan tuang ke nasi. Okay, now we are going to cook like usual. Okay, don't forget to stir, otherwise it will not crab so. It will not crab so. After already well cooked, then press again, so it will be 2 times to make sure that rice already well cooked. Jadi 2 kali ya. Jadi ini bukannya rice cooker, magic cooker, is a bit different. Jadi ini kita masak seperti biasa. Tada. Okay. This is our lunch. Udah kosong nih. This is our lunch. Ini makan siang kita. Ini acar, pickles, carrot, cucumber pickles. This is pineapple chili sauce. This is sauteed chili sauce that I bought of them. I made by myself. This is garlic for lalapan. Ini grilled chickennya. Mantap. Ini jus apel. Nah, sekarang saya akan ajak ke sini. This is yellow coconut rice, already awesome. For example, somehow still not well cooked your rice, pour water. Jadi tambah air kalau misalnya masih belum masak. Kemudian sesudah dia masak, tekan lagi kira-kira 10 menit or 5 minutes. So if you already well cooked, somehow your coconut rice not well cooked, just pour water and then press again to cook status. Okay, and then add more 5 to 10 minutes. After that you may mix. Ini udah masak, udah oke. Nah, daun-daunnya bisa dibuang. Kalau udah dingin tinggal masukkan di Tupperware atau dimasukkan di container if already cool, and then put into refrigerator. This is the remaining. I will let it for a while here. Nah, ini for our soup. Ini supnya. Soup ginger chicken hainan soup. Piring-piring udah dicuciin semua. I already wash all this. Okay. Dah. We are going to eat our lunch. This is soup of chicken hainan soup with ginger and garlic. Nah, ini sop ayam hainan ya. Ini nasi kuning, yellow coconut rice, pickles, pineapple sauce, and others. So we are going to eat. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di-share, di-like, di-komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. That's Stretch Resin Lovers. Sampai jumpa lagi Resin Lovers. Paka-paka.